name is Maggie, and this weekend we are working on my laundry room. My plan is to build a custom cabinet to hide the water heater, and then came the exciting part, unboxing the new Whirlpool washer and dryer. It felt like Christmas. This was actually my first time installing a brand new washer and dryer, so I wasn't totally sure what I was doing, but luckily Home Depot has tons of helpful how-to guides with step-by-step written instructions and videos for us visual learners, and it made the whole process super easy to follow. I was able to get free next-day delivery on everything I needed through the Home Depot app. As you can see, we are ready for paint. It took about a day to prep everything, fill all the holes, caulk, tape off areas that don't need to be painted. The fresh coat of paint really brightens up the whole space, but the real stars of the show are the Whirlpool front load washer with fresh flow vent system and the vented front load electric dryer with wrinkle shield option. My favorite feature, the fan first option. It keeps just washed clothes fresh with a built-in fan and gentle tumbling, so even if I forget to switch the load right away, which I always do, my laundry still smells clean and stays ready when I am. But if you're thinking, but aren't front load washers prone to mold and mildew? Well, Whirlpool has that covered. The antimicrobial gasket helps prevent the growth of odor-causing bacteria, keeping your washer fresher with every load. The laundry room project is officially done. Thank you all so much for following along. Now let me know in the comments what you're working on this week.